In this module, we will discuss the strategic roles of information systems. First, we will discuss the two broad strategic roles. Next, we will pose 3 questions to elicit the roles. Third, we will provide an ontology to conceptualize and map the roles. Fourth, and last, we will suggest how you can apply the ontology to your projects. An information system can have 2 broad strategic roles in an organization: to help the organization to be effective and to be efficient. An information system can help the organization fulfill its vision, mission, and objectives. It can help the organization formulate strategies, policies, tactics, and make decisions to achieve the desired effects. Thus, the system can help the organization to be effective, to achieve the desired effects at the abstract level of its vision, the intermediate level of its mission, and the ground or pragmatic level of its objectives. The system can also help improve the efficiency of the organization, how well it uses its resources in being effective. It can help optimize the combination of financial, human, material, intellectual, and other resources used by the organization. An information system designer may choose one, both, or a combination of the above 2 roles. To conceptualize an information system's strategic roles in an organization, we will pose 3 questions. First, what are the desired outcomes in terms of effectiveness and efficiency? The answer to this question has to be based on A, the vision, mission, and objectives of the organization, and B, the critical resources for the organization. Second, what are the focal functions of the organization? Is it, for example, a single function like sales? Or is it, for example, a combination of functions such as personnel, operations, and accounting? The importance of a function will be determined by how critical it is to achieve the desired outcomes. The focal functions will define the focus of the information system. Third, what are the semiotics? This will need some explanation. The information system may focus just on the data about the functions required to achieve the desired outcomes. Sometimes, data itself can be valuable. However, by processing the data and discovering relationships and patterns within it, the system can generate information. Information can add more value. Last, by interpreting the patterns and relationships in the information, the system can generate knowledge which can add further value. The designer has to decide the semiotics level. For example, would just having sales data be sufficient? Or should the system provide an analysis of the data using statistical tools, graphs, etc.? Or should the system interpret the information in the context of the organization? The choice will affect the design of the system. We can synthesize the answers to the 3 questions using an ontology. The left column of the ontology lists the functions, the middle column the semiotics, and the right column the outcomes. The columns can be combined to form a natural language sentence using the prefixes, connectors, and suffixes shown. 6 key information system strategic roles derived from the ontology are listed below the ontology. They are: management of a function's data to be an effective organization, management of a function's data to be an efficient organization, management of a function's information to be an effective organization, management of a function's information to be an efficient organization, management of a function's knowledge to be an effective organization, and management of a function's knowledge to be an efficient organization. One may choose more than one statement to define an information system's strategic roles. Further, the strategic role statements can be refined in a particular context by choosing specific components of effectiveness and efficiency and specific functions listed in the ontology. Thus, for example, a strategic role could be management of sales data to be a personnel efficient organization, or management of finance knowledge to be a mission effective organization. Management of sales data to be a personnel efficient organization could help deploy the organization's sales personnel more efficiently based on their skills, performance, and the needs of the market. Management of finance knowledge to be a mission effective organization could help, for example, a non-profit hospital to maximize the financial resources to provide healthcare services for the poor. The choice of the strategic roles will determine the architecture and design of the information system. It has to be made carefully based on a deep understanding of the user requirements, their needs, their capabilities, and the information system capabilities. You may want to study your project through the lens of the ontology to specify the strategic roles of the information system. Could you construct 2 or 3 sentences using the ontology to specify the functions, focuses, and outcomes of the system that your client requires? If necessary, modify the functions and outcomes to fit the specific problems you are addressing.